Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to do a Halloween-inspired water marble design. My nails are all prepped, clean, and dry, so I'll start off by applying a base coat. The colors I'm using for this design are Goth from A England and Orange Drink from Holo. Before I start water marbling, I'm applying one coat of Orange Drink as my base color. It's best to use the lightest polish or a neutral or white shade underneath the water marble to make the finished look opaque rather than sheer. Then I'm applying this mani mask barrier around my nails to make cleanup easier. Water marbling can get messy, so I'm painting this pretty high up onto my fingers so I don't get a lot of polish on my skin. For the water marble, I'm using a small glass of room temperature water, a marbling tool, or a bent open safety pin, and some cotton soaked with acetone. Now I'll hold the polish brush close to the water's surface and let the polish drip onto the water. If you need to, you can use your tool to help that first drop spread. Then I'll alternate polishes and let them keep spreading across the surface. You can tap or rotate the glass a little to help with this. Once I have a decent bullseye of polish, I'll start drawing with my marbling tool. I'll start from the center and draw out to each side, pressing the outer ring of polish against the side of the glass to keep it from moving around too much. Then I'll draw across the polish the other way, making sure to avoid the outer ring, which is the most dry by now. After every couple strokes, I'll wipe the tool off on the acetone-soaked cotton ball. I'll draw some more in the opposite direction until I'm satisfied with the design. Then I'll hold my nail as parallel to the surface as possible and dip into the polish. Before I take my finger out of the water, I'll clean away the excess polish with a Q-tip so it doesn't stick to my nail and ruin the design. Then I'll hold my finger at an angle and slowly pull out of the water to avoid forming bubbles in the polish. I have found the best water to use for this technique is not water straight from the faucet. Filtered or bottled water will work, but I'm using water from the kettle left over from making my morning tea. It has kind of had any impurities heated out of it, so I just pour some into my glass and let it cool to room temperature. Any small glass or paper or metal cup can work. It's just important to make sure the container is small. If polish has to spread across a large surface, it may dry too quickly for you to draw a pattern in it. When you're drawing, make sure to put the tool through the polish rather than just skimming the surface. After I pull my finger out of the water, I'll use a cuticle stick to separate the polish on my nail from the polish on my skin. Not all polishes are suitable for water marbling. For example, quick drying polishes may not work well. I always like to test polishes first to see if they will spread out in water. There are several variables: type of water, temperature of water, type of polish, whether or not you have a fan or air conditioner blowing through your workspace. The important thing is to keep trying and testing until things turn out right. You may just need to change the order in which you are dripping the polishes. Sometimes polishes spread better if you put the lighter ones into the water first. It just depends on what the polish formula is like. If there's room in the water marbling cup, you can dip multiple fingers at the same time. After I've removed the Mani mask and the marbling is all done, I'll clean up bigger messes with a Q-tip dipped in polish remover. Then I'll do closer in cleanup with a brush dipped in acetone. Then I'll finish off with top coat. To avoid smearing the design, I don't apply too much pressure with the brush, and I kind of float the top coat over my nail. Here is the finished design. I was going for a Halloween theme, but it also reminds me of tiger stripes. I like it either way. I'll put information about the products and polishes I used, as well as a discount code, down in the caption. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.